Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Are you tired of always being the one chasing after girls? Ever wondered why they don't seem to chase you back? In today's video, we'll reveal the raw truth behind why girls don't chase you and what you can do to change that. So buckle up and get ready for some eye-opening insights. Part 1. Take care of your appearance. Picture yourself as a well-groomed, stylish gentleman who turns heads wherever he goes. Taking care of your appearance sends a message that you value yourself and have a sense of self-respect. So, invest in a good grooming routine, dress well, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. This will make you more attractive and boost your confidence. Additionally, pay attention to your body language, as it plays a crucial role in how others perceive you. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and smile genuinely to project an air of confidence and approachability. Furthermore, don't forget the importance of personal hygiene, such as regular showers, dental care, and using deodorant. By taking care of your appearance and presenting yourself in the best possible light, you'll not only attract romantic interests but also create a positive impression in all aspects of your life. Part 2. Confidence is key. Confidence is the cornerstone of attraction. Just like a lioness is captivated by a self-assured lion, women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and poise. If you find yourself constantly doubting your abilities or seeking validation from others, it's time to work on building your self-esteem. Start by setting achievable goals, embracing your unique strengths, and learning from your weaknesses. As you grow more confident, you'll notice a powerful shift in how others perceive and interact with you. Remember, confidence is like a magnet that draws people in, making you irresistible and leaving a lasting impression. Part 3. Be genuinely interesting. Imagine yourself as a best-selling novel that captivates readers from the very first page. To make girls chase you, you need to be genuinely interesting and engaging. Develop your passions, stay informed about current events, and cultivate a sense of humor. Additionally, work on your communication skills, learn to tell captivating stories, and be open to new experiences. By doing so, you'll become a fascinating person that others can't help but be drawn to, sparking curiosity and intrigue in those around you. Embrace your unique qualities and interests, and don't be afraid to share them with others. As you continue to grow and evolve, you'll find that your magnetic personality attracts not only romantic interests but also enriches your social circle and personal relationships. Part 4. Communication. Effective communication is the bridge that connects you to others, fostering strong relationships and mutual understanding. Think of it as the glue that holds relationships together, or the oil that keeps the gears of social interaction running smoothly. To improve your communication skills, practice active listening by giving your full attention to the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and summarizing their points to ensure you've understood them correctly. Express your thoughts clearly and concisely, using relatable examples and analogies to make your message more accessible. Be open to feedback, as it's an invaluable tool for growth and self-improvement. Just like a skilled negotiator, you'll be able to navigate any social situation with ease, adapting your communication style to suit different personalities and contexts. By mastering the art of communication, you'll not only enhance your relationships but also increase your overall. Part 5. Show emotional intelligence. Think of emotional intelligence as the secret sauce that makes relationships thrive. By being empathetic, understanding, and emotionally available, you'll create a safe space for girls to open up and connect with you. So, practice active listening, be supportive, and show genuine interest in their lives. Additionally, work on managing your own emotions. Develop a strong sense of self-awareness, and learn to navigate complex social situations with grace and tact. As you cultivate your emotional intelligence, you'll not only become irresistible to romantic interests, but you'll also strengthen your friendships and professional relationships, making you a well-rounded and highly sought-after individual. Furthermore, embrace vulnerability and be willing to share your own emotions and experiences, as this will foster deeper connections and trust. By consistently honing your emotional intelligence, you'll create lasting, meaningful relationships that enrich your life and the lives of those around you. Part 6. Be independent and ambitious. Imagine you're a soaring eagle, flying high with ambition and determination. Girls are attracted to men who have a clear sense of purpose and direction in life. So, set goals, chase your dreams, and be passionate about what you do. This will make you stand out and show that you're a man worth chasing. Furthermore, cultivate a strong sense of self-reliance and resilience, as these qualities demonstrate your ability to handle life's challenges and bounce back from setbacks. Embrace personal growth and continuously strive to improve yourself, both personally and professionally. By being independent and ambitious, you'll not only attract romantic interests but also inspire those around you to pursue their own dreams and aspirations. Part 7. Kindness and Compassion. Kindness is like a warm blanket that makes people feel safe and cared for, providing comfort and reassurance in a sometimes cold and harsh world. Show genuine interest in others by asking about their lives, listening attentively, and remembering the details they share. Be supportive by offering encouragement, celebrating their successes, and being there for them during difficult times. Practice empathy by putting yourself in their shoes, understanding their emotions, and validating their feelings. Like a nurturing caregiver, you'll create an environment where people feel valued and appreciated, fostering deep connections and trust. In addition to making you more attractive, kindness and compassion also contribute to your own well-being and happiness, as they promote positive relationships and a sense of belonging. By cultivating these qualities, you'll not only become a more appealing partner but also a better friend, family member, and overall human being. Now that you know the raw truth about why girls don't chase you, it's time to take action and become the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Psychology Facts for more amazing content. Together, let's be a beacon of knowledge and inspiration for millions of people around the world.